Hey guys, we're going to make some quick and easy bratwurst. We're going to par cook it, infuse some great flavors, some basic flavor builders, and add some jalapeno in here for a little extra kick, some garlic, and some Mexican beer. Got a nice hot pan going, a little oil. You know, we got the veggies sweated down a little bit. It's time for the beer. Well, they're in here. Always one for the chef. Let it boil a few minutes, really let those flavors infuse into the beer. All right, it's been boiling for about a good 5-10 minutes now. Smells incredible. Oh man. Just turn the temperature down to a simmer. You don't want it to boil too hard. It's gonna make our sausages explode, possibly. Not the ending we want. We'll give that about 15 minutes and maybe one or two of these, and we'll take them out and cool them off. I'm gonna make a quick little slaw here for our bratwurst. I'm gonna get them nice and fine. All right, a little honey. Apple cider vinegar. There we go, isn't that pretty? Gonna make a sweet and spicy mustard dressing for the top of our bratwurst. Not sure why I have 2 empty containers of mayo in my fridge, but there we are. Grey Poupon. Our sambal oelek, a garlic chili sauce with a little honey. All right guys, we got our buns fresh out of the oven. Bratwurst straight off the charbroiler. Ready to plate these up. Got some nice color on them. Got our sauerkraut. Our pickle slaw. Pile that on. Finish it with our hot mustard sauce we made. There you go, what do you guys think?